It's me, Honey.
And I.
And this is a trip that we're on for our nephew's birthday. And we are going to show you guys our room to start off. For this weekend, we just have some swimming planned. We were going to do some shopping, stop in at Legoland. It's his first time. We've been there before, but we thought he would have a good time. So we're going to show you guys the room, and then we'll do some vlogging of our activities of the weekend. And guess what, guys? We brought Sharu with us. Ryan.
He don't know what he's doing.
Sharu, say hi. Say hi, honeybees. Tell them hi. Say hello. You guys, let me show y'all something real quick. This is really crazy to me. I don't have nothing to iron, and they got an orange iron. Ain't that crazy? I'll show you the little bathroom. And this thing is driving us crazy, y'all, because you can't turn the light on without getting the fan on. So I would leave the lights on, but I'm gonna turn this off. Just wanted to give y'all a quick little glimpse of it. It's cute. There's your girl. My sweet boy. This is a nice ass room, y'all. Look at that. We got his little section right here. We won't be using both beds, but...
See, we got a doggy hut.
What?
Not a pizza hut, it's a doggy hut.
And of course, she gonna find the big chair in the room and be sitting there like she's the queen.
I am.
You are the queen, honey. So I want to show you guys this little purse. My cousin got this for me years ago, and when she had given it to me, I was, I don't know, 12, 13, something like that. And I don't even think they were doing crossbodies like as hard and tough as they are now.
Are you sure you were that young?
15, 16 maybe?
No, I think she gave it to you after we got together.
Well, crossbodies wasn't like in style back then. And now I'm so happy I get to use it. And usually you guys will see me with like the big purses, totes, satchels, just big purses, because I always have a whole bunch of stuff, you know, my insulin, my makeup, all that kind of stuff. And this is going to come in so much handy because we're going to be doing a lot of walking while we're shopping and when we go to Legoland. And so I'm so happy to have this. Thank you, Shauna. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys just a little view of outside of our window. It's no big deal, but it looks so pretty with the lights and stuff out there. And we can see the pool room down, straight down from our room. Nobody's out there because it's cold as hell right now.
Some folks got balconies, but we didn't want no balcony.
Oh yeah, you can see the little balcony. You can hear the people out there talking too right now. There's other hotels surrounding us. You can see these people's balcony too. Oh, I didn't even see theirs right here.
I said it's on both sides.
Yeah, we didn't need a balcony because we
You scared of it anyway.
Yeah, I'm afraid of heights. I am afraid of heights, but also we don't have no reason to be sliding our ass out there and freezing no more because we don't smoke no more. And anybody who's still smoking in 2019, you know what I think about that. Your ass is out there freezing for no reason. Ain't that right, Ryan? Ain't that right, boy? Get it.
He don't care about it because he's being nosy. He's trying to eat everything else besides his food. He done got a bath. He done got a new bed and new blankets and all that. And now he think he a brand new boy.
And let me tell y'all something. Walmart. Let me sit down right here. Walmart. We got him a new kennel yesterday, and the damn door fell off. And we are on vacation. And what if our dog would have ran away? It's not funny, honey.
It would have been a goner because I wasn't chasing him.
She's not right. I would have been having my big ass out there running around trying to get that dog. Ain't that crazy?
Man, that's stupid.
No, I'm talking about how cold it is for me to be chasing him when the shit fell apart.
It's stupid that you're going to be chasing him knowing your ass can't catch it. I ain't chasing him. I learned my lesson.
So I'm just supposed to let my baby run out in the street?
Well, you better have a leash on. If you don't have a leash on him, then hey, he's a goner. Because I ain't running.
If y'all are still watching this, comment some dog emojis down below and do a symbol, you know, the circle with the line across for the no symbol for Nita.
No.
Because
do a
she's
thumbs
wrong.
Down if you are not chasing after no dog. Do a thumbs up if you're going to be a fool like her and chase after a dog that want to run. You can't keep nothing that don't want to be kept.
He don't got no sense.
He does.
He don't know no better. He
does.
gonna run out there in the damn highway and get ran over, and you just gonna say farewell.
You don't keep nothing that don't want to be kept. If he wanted, he got a good home. I provide for him a good home, a nice bed, some comfy
That fell
blankets,
apart, Walmart.
all that. And if he want to run, sayonara.
I don't like that, and I'm cutting it off at this point. Goodbye. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. And so I was just sitting here thinking, what do y'all think about my nails growing? Usually I have them painted, but I kind of ran out of time before we came, but
Shave them off. Shave them off.
don't they look cute?
Let them go.
I've been doing some experiments with all different colors. This is the only one that I got a little bit of polish on right now. But like the week before last.
Oh, you got polish on there?
I put that pearl one on there. But the week before last, I had some teal, like a Christmassy, sparkly teal on there. And then I did silver and gray, like contrast on one finger. And then I did...
I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. I called on my best friend. How's it go?
Yeah, exactly. She's a mess, y'all. Lord have mercy. Pray for me, y'all. For real. Anyways, I did, what do you call that? The water...
Oh, I don't know. Water design, maybe?
I don't know. I'm going to put the name of it in the description box, maybe, if I think of it. Or I'll write it right here, down below, when I figure out the name of that. But you take fingernail polish, and you could do like a couple different colors, and when you pick out the colors that you want, then you get a cup of water and you like put drops in back-to-back increments of, you know, different, say you got 3 colors, you do 1 ring of blue, 1 pink, then white, then blue, then pink, then white again, until you get however many rings of the polish in the water that you want. And then you take like a toothpick or something and make a little design, and then you dip your little finger like this into the water and swirl it around, and you take the extra polish off of the rest of your fingernail. And that really did turn out cute. Water marble, that's it. And so I did that. And then last week I did like a autumn type orange, which Honey picked out. I know y'all get confused with that Honey thing. We both call each other Honey, but I'm Honey and she's Sweetheart. HoneyAndI. Anyways,
I am not Sweetheart.
you are my sweetheart.
You do not call me that.
I do call you that.
Yeah. Just within the past 2 months.
We're both Honey. That's why the channel is called HoneyAndI. But my nickname has been Honey since I was born. So, I'm really Honey.
Yeah, because you can't say Honey and me, but you call me Honey.
Anyways, she had picked out this autumn orange color for me, and she had painted it on my toenails, and then we did gold glitter with that. And so I did the same thing on my nails on my hands, and it turned out super cute. And so next thing I'm gonna be trying to learn how to do on my own is French tips with different colors, and I'll let you guys know how that turns out. I'll probably post it on my Snapchat.
You want me to tell you how to do it?
I already know what to do.
What we tell you?
You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's kind of like a painter, you know, you get some tape or something.
Ain't nobody doing that. You know why? Because when I done that before, it chipped. Once the polish dried and it was stuck to the tape, it ripped up the other fingernail polish.
That's why you don't do it. You do your tip first, and then you leave the one little thin line, and then so if you paint over it a little bit, then it won't show. You know what I'm saying? You're good at lines. Precise lines, you're precise. But it won't chip. Mm-hmm.
I don't know what you're talking about. If you're not talking about laying the tape on the nail.
I'm saying you lay the tape on the nail, but you don't paint your nail part that you're laying the tape on yet.
I know. That's what I'm talking about. I did that. It might have been whatever brand polish I used. I don't know. But once I lifted the tape up off of the nail.
You ate your food?
See how she just flipped me off, y'all?
I'm listening. This is how you be doing me. What are you talking about? You sure do smell good, Ryan.
Anyways, y'all, I will show y'all probably on my Snapchat when I redo my nails. But I'm going to be trying a lot of different colors and designs just to... Because I was paying $80 sometimes every week. And like before that, I would pay every 2 weeks to get my nails and toes done. And I would get different colors. And like, I can just grow my own nails and just paint my own nails. That's a mama's boy. Yes, he is too. That's a mama's boy. Ain't you, Ryan? Huh, Ruru? Huh? You still don't want to say hi to the people? You want to tell them hi? Yes? Say hello. Hi, YouTube. Hi, guys. He said to y'all.
Just like you.
All right, y'all. I am not.
Snooty.
Just because I'm cute don't mean I'm Snoop.
Yeah, you Snoop. You ain't cute. You ain't cute when you Snoop.
Look at this, y'all.
I'm going to give you the boot.
She don't know what to do without this.
Please.
She ain't never had nothing like it.
I ain't never in my life had this many headaches. You're right. Oh, man.
If I'm a headache, then she's an ass ache.
Please.
All right, we'll check back with y'all. Okay, guys, so we decided to come to the Smokehouse Barbecue, and we're gonna just grab the food and take it back to the room.
Look at that.
Oh, a pig, huh? He's a big boy. Wowza. Check him out.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thanks.
Hi. Which one?
Hi, how are you? What's it? Did you guys call it in by chance? Talk to the guy on the phone.
I don't know who she's talking to.
Oh, okay.
So, guys, we went to the wrong restaurant to pick our food up. It's not called Smokehouse. I done showed y'all the menu and everything else. The place we ordered from is called Smokebox. So, here we go, getting back in the car, and we'll get back with you guys. So, we finally got to the right place, y'all. There ain't nobody here, so hopefully the shit tastes good. And they
Yeah,
got the,
ain't nobody here.
There-
Ain't nothing special.
and they got the lights burnt out on the sign, so help us, Jesus.
Tell them there's a cone outside. That might be beware.
She said there's a cone outside the damn restaurant, so that might mean beware. All right, I guess we'll let y'all know how this shit goes. Hey, y'all, can y'all look and see anything new or different about me? My damn lens done popped out of my glasses. I'm sitting here trying to eat, and it just flew out. Look at this.
Literally flew.
Oh my God, I can't see nothing without these glasses, y'all. How in the hell am I going to even walk? Oh, say a prayer for me, y'all, because I don't know what I'm going to do.